stop confusing customers with unclear pricing, use the WooCommerce tax toggle to quickly switch tax display. So if there are B2B customers, maybe they want to see the price excluding VAT. And obviously if the retail, they want to see the price including VAT. On our store here, we've got our tax toggle located in our header section. And with the plugin that I'll show you, it generates a shortcode. So you can add a shortcode anywhere on your website, or you can just have it in the header section, just like I've got here. So if we toggle this on, now we can see the price, including VAT. Currently, it was displaying excluding VAT because this is our B2B store. All right, and it's the same for the cart page and the checkout page. If you want to create a similar setup on your WooCommerce store, the first step is to head over to wholesalewp.com. I'll leave a link in the description below. And with that being said, let's head over to our dashboard. Assuming you've installed and activated the Wholesale WP plugin, the next step is to head over to Wholesale WP and we'll navigate over to settings. And then here we've got our header, tax and VAT toggle. All we have to do is go ahead and switch this on, and then we get to specify who we want this to display to. So we can display it to everyone, or we can set it to display for our B2B customers only. I'll leave a link to our WooCommerce B2B playlist, which will show you how to create various different B2B groups. I'm going to leave this to everyone, but what's worth mentioning is, let's say, for example, on this page, let's edit this product here, and we're going to add our shortcode. Whenever the shortcode is detected on our page, it will automatically stop rendering the header shortcode. All right, so let's go open bracket, close bracket, say wholesale WP underscore tax underscore toggle. Let's update this. Let's view this product. Okay, so our tax toggle is no longer located in our header section. Instead, it's here in our product description, and it works exactly the same. So if you didn't like the design here, you can place it anywhere on your website and it will render in that position instead of our default header position. Like and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you've got any questions, leave it in the comment box.